Hey everybody. So one of the improvements we did on our Alliance is we added a shade to our entry door. Lippert makes most of the doors and windows for almost all of the campers, and I'm not sure why they stopped putting the window shades in on them, but that's what we picked up while we were at the rally, and I was dreading this. You know, I'm not the handiest of all, but come to find out, the kit comes with both frames and a new window and the window shade. Once I got the outer frame off, I found out that's all I got to replace, not the whole window. Just the outer frame with the window shade. That's it. So be careful when you purchase this package, because you may not have to do a total install, only a third of an install. And it actually was pretty easy. See you on the road.